Ever wondered how to make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing? Well, you're not alone. Affiliate marketing is a powerful tool that can transform your YouTube channel into a revenue-generating powerhouse. It's a simple concept, really. You promote a product or service on your channel, and when your viewers make a purchase through your referral link, you earn a commission. But why should you, as a YouTuber, consider affiliate marketing? Well, for starters, it's a great way to monetize your content without relying on ad revenue alone. It allows you to diversify your income streams and earn money from the products and services that you genuinely love and recommend. Moreover, it's a win-win situation. Your audience gets to discover and purchase valuable products, and you earn a commission for every successful referral. So if you're ready to turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine, stay tuned. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive into how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is like being a middleman in a business transaction. You're not creating a product or selling something you own. Instead, you're promoting someone else's product and earning a commission from any sales made through your referral. Think of it as a three-step dance. Step 1, you choose a product you like, believe in, or think your audience will enjoy. This product could be anything, from a fancy new tech gadget to an ebook about gardening. It's your pick. Step 2, you promote that product. You might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, the options are pretty much endless. You could write blog posts, create videos, or even just share a link on your social media platforms. The goal is to get your audience interested in the product and convince them that it's worth their hard-earned money. Step 3, you earn a commission. If someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of that sale. The commission rates can vary widely depending on the product and the company, but it's not uncommon to see rates ranging from 5 to 50%. One of the beautiful things about affiliate marketing is that it can be a win-win-win situation. The customer gets a product they love, the company gets a sale they might not have otherwise made, and you get a nice little chunk of change for your efforts. But here's the thing. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. But if you're willing to put in the work, it can be a fantastic way to earn passive income. So it's simple. Promote a product, make a sale, earn a commission. But how do you get started? Getting started with affiliate marketing on YouTube isn't as daunting as it might seem. It's all about taking the right steps in the right order. First things first, you'll need to create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. This is your platform, your stage, your soapbox. This is where you'll connect with your audience, share your knowledge, and promote your affiliate products. So invest some time in setting it up properly. Make sure your channel feels welcoming and professional. Next, you need to choose a niche. A niche is essentially the specific topic or area you'll be focusing on. It could be anything from tech gadgets to organic skincare. The key is to choose something you're passionate about. Why? Because passion shines through. It's infectious. It makes people want to listen to what you have to say, and when they listen, they're more likely to buy. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to sign up for an affiliate program. There's a multitude of affiliate programs out there, so it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your niche and your audience's interests. But don't just sign up for the first program you come across. Do your homework, research different programs, check their commission rates, and read their terms and conditions. You want to ensure the program you choose is reputable and reliable. Remember, the goal of affiliate marketing isn't just to make money. It's about creating value for your audience. It's about helping them find products that will truly benefit them. So, choose your affiliate program with care. Also, don't forget to disclose your affiliate links. It's not only a good practice, but it's also a requirement in many countries. So make sure to include a disclaimer in your video descriptions to maintain transparency with your audience. With your channel set up and your niche selected, you're ready to start earning. But how do you choose the right affiliate program? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in the next scene, so stay tuned. Choosing the right affiliate program is critical to your success as an affiliate marketer on YouTube. Think of it as a partnership. You're aligning your brand with an external company, so it's essential to choose wisely. Let's look at some key factors to consider when selecting an affiliate program. First, let's talk about commission rates. This is how you'll earn your money. Naturally, you might lean towards programs offering the highest rates. But hold on for a moment. A high commission rate is great, but it shouldn't be your sole deciding factor. You also need to consider the conversion rate. If a product has a high commission but low conversion, you may not earn much. Next, consider product relevance. Your audience follows you for a reason. They're interested in your content and trust your recommendations. If you promote a product that's not related to your content, you risk losing that trust. So, choose products that align with your brand and your audience's interests. Now let's discuss the reputation of the company. A company's reputation can affect your credibility. Before joining an affiliate program, do your research. Look at customer reviews and news articles. Is the company known for quality products and good customer service? If not, you might want to think twice before associating your brand with theirs. Also consider the affiliate program's terms and conditions. Some programs might have strict rules about where and how you can promote their products. Others may have minimum sales requirements or limit how much you can earn. Make sure to read the fine print before making a decision. Lastly, consider the support offered by the affiliate program. A good program will provide you with promotional materials and dedicated support to help you succeed. With the right affiliate program, you're well on your way to earning money on YouTube. But how do you promote these products effectively? Remember, choosing the right affiliate program is just the first step. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to promote your affiliate products effectively. Stay tuned. Promoting affiliate products effectively is the key to making money on YouTube. As we delve into this topic, let's remember that successful promotion is all about strategy, creativity, and connection. The first tip is to integrate product links into your video descriptions. This is a simple yet impactful strategy. When viewers watch your content and find it useful, they're likely to check out the description for more information. That's your golden opportunity to lead them to your affiliate products. But remember, it's important to be transparent about these links, so make sure you disclose your affiliation. Next, let's talk about creating dedicated product review videos. This is a more direct approach, but it can be incredibly effective if done right. People love reviews. They want to know more about a product before they make a purchase. Your review video can be the deciding factor. Whether it's an unboxing, a how-to-use tutorial, or a pros and cons analysis, ensure that you provide genuine, helpful information. And don't forget, at the end, direct your viewers to the product link. Now, on to using call to actions. A call to action, or CTA, is a prompt that encourages your viewers to take a specific action. This could be clicking on a link, subscribing to your channel, or liking your video. When promoting affiliate products, your CTA could be as simple as check out the product link below. But remember, a good CTA should be clear, compelling, and context appropriate. But here's the thing, while these tips can help you promote affiliate products, it's crucial to remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time. It's not just about selling products, it's about building trust, providing value, and creating a community. By promoting your affiliate products effectively, you can maximize your earnings. But remember, success won't come overnight. So be patient, keep experimenting, and stay committed to your journey. Your YouTube channel is not just a platform for affiliate marketing, it's a space for you to share, connect, and inspire. Make the most of it. Affiliate marketing on YouTube is an exciting opportunity to monetize your content. Let's quickly recap what we've discussed. First, we delved into what affiliate marketing is all about. A performance-based marketing strategy where you earn commission by promoting other people's products. Then, we walked through the process of getting started with affiliate marketing. Remember, it's all about choosing a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content around it. Next, we highlighted the importance of choosing the right affiliate program. It's crucial to select a program that aligns with your content and audience. Lastly, we explored ways to promote affiliate products on YouTube. From incorporating links into your video descriptions to creating dedicated product review videos, there are numerous strategies to consider. With patience, persistence, and the right strategies, you can make money on YouTube through affiliate marketing. So why not start today? Let's start.